Here's the quick, no-fuss guide to the first industrial revolution: what it was, when it happened, and who gained the most. Definition first. The first industrial revolution was the shift from handcraft and muscle power to machines powered by water and steam. It moved production from homes and small workshops into factories, kicked off mass production, and reshaped how people worked, moved, and lived. Timeline. Think late 1700s to mid-1800s, roughly 1760 to 1840, with momentum carrying through the 1850s. Then, a spinner at a wheel, one thread at a time. Now, a factory floor that spins, weaves, and finishes thousands of threads per minute. How did it start? Britain, late 18th century. Three forces came together. Energy, water wheels first. Energy, James Watt's improved steam engine after the 1770s. Machines, the spinning jenny. Machines, the water frame. Machines, the power loom. Materials, coke-smelted iron. Materials, better steel processes. Materials, precision tools that made more machines possible. Textiles led the charge. Cotton cloth got faster. Cotton cloth got cheaper. Cotton cloth got more consistent. Iron and coal followed. Steam engines pumped mines dry. Steam engines powered mills. Steam engines eventually rolled onto rails. Then, a canal barge creeping through the countryside. Now, a steam locomotive cutting travel from days to hours. Why Britain? Access to coal and iron close together, a dense network of rivers and canals, strong property rights, capital from trade, and a culture that rewarded tinkering. Add a growing consumer market, and suddenly innovation had fuel. The ripple effect was huge. Factories created the factory clock, shift work, wages, and urban life. Productivity soared, goods got cheaper. Living standards slowly rose, though not evenly. Cities swelled, public health struggled, child labor sparked reform movements. Then, sunrise to sunset, seasonal rhythms. Now, the whistle, the shift, the time card. Dates in motion, 1760s, 1780s, textile machines take off. Watt refines steam engines. 1790s, 1810s, canals, mechanized mills, iron improvements. 1820s, 1840s, railways explode, steam power spreads across industries. Who benefited most? Britain first and foremost. Close behind, Belgium, northern France, parts of Germany, Prussia, and the Rhineland. The northeastern United States. Switzerland leveraged skilled labor for textiles and precision tools. The Netherlands adapted with trade and finance. Scandinavia started later but caught up in timber, mining, and machinery. Many regions supplying raw materials, India, parts of Africa. The Caribbean saw limited industrial gains and often deindustrialization as colonial trade rules favored European manufacturers. Then, local markets and slow news. Now, integrated national markets linked by rails, telegraphs, and standardized parts. The summary in one breath: harness new energy, scale up with machines, reorganize work in factories, move people to cities, speed up transport, cut costs, and transform everyday life. That's the first industrial revolution, and its legacy. It set the template: energy, machines, materials, infrastructure, growth. It also left hard lessons on inequality, labor rights, and environmental costs that I'm still dealing with today. Zooming out to today, every smart factory, container ship, or logistics app traces its family tree back to water wheels and steam. Different tech, same idea. Amplify human effort. So if you remember one thing, make it this: the first industrial revolution didn't just add machines. It rewired time, space, and society. And that wiring still runs under my modern world.